How to fix smartphone constantly switches from Wi-Fi to mobile network. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to fix this issue, so without any delay, let's start. So first thing is you may head over to your settings, and then once you open up your settings, you should be finding this options on your screen. Head over to connections and then go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi and see if your Wi-Fi has a strong signal or not. Because if your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, your phone might automatically switch up to mobile data to ensure a more reliable connection. So that may be the reason. Otherwise, some phones have a feature called Wi-Fi or similar that automatically switches to mobile data. For example, if you head over to mobile networks, it automatically may switch if the Wi-Fi network is perceived as slow as unreliable. You can also disable in this feature in your phone settings. For example, you can just go and turn off your Wi-Fi and then go ahead and switch up to mobile network and do that. Otherwise, you can switch up your mobile network and turn on your Wi-Fi. Apart from that, you can just go ahead and try resetting your Wi-Fi, or you can try resetting your mobile device as well. Long press on the power button and look for the restart button and do that. Otherwise, you can look for the Bluetooth settings by going to settings and then again going over the connections and seeing for Bluetooth if it is turned on or not. You can just go ahead and turn it off if it is turned on. Otherwise, some apps might also be using mobile data even when you are connected to Wi-Fi, so causing the phone to switch to Wi-Fi. So these are some of the methods you can follow up. Otherwise, you can update your phone software. For that, head over to settings again and then go ahead and scroll down and look for software update and make sure your device is updated to the latest version. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.